Okay, lifting a cloche.
You can't see it.
I cannot see a thing.
Nice.
Cloche is off.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you.
Do you feel confident?
A little bit nervous, yeah. I've never been put on the spot like this, so there's a lot at stake.
Okay, we're gonna start easy.
Yes,
Use your plate here.
plate, yes. My nose is covered up. Doesn't smell like anything.
Oh no.
Oh no, there we go, sorry. I can smell my beanie. That's quite simple. This is rosemary.
Yes. Good work, good work.
Thank you so much.
Just a warm up, just a warm up.
It's nice to start Sunday morning with a little bit of fresh rosemary.
Not even, I don't even recognise it.
Okay, so same deal.
Yep.
Picky.
Yep.
Yep. Ooh. Everything's edible.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not like cotton or...
Yeah, no.
Soft leaf is like basil. Thai basil?
What is it? Is that it?
Oregano.
Oh, really?
Is oregano a soft leaf?
Was that definitely oregano?
Was it?
Let me just double check.
Where'd you pick it from?
The Woolworths.
Or worse.
Ah,
Oh, you got it right! How do you feel?
am
I
I...
know my herbs.
So I'm okay?
Yep.
I was going to say, fuck,
Two.
that's no way.
Made you a bit nervous. That was
Moving
an
on.
eventual too.
Your little plate is filled up again.
My little plate's filled up again, okay.
Are you allergic to anything?
Not that I know of, no. Thank you. Oh. Beautiful and floral, like lemon thyme or just normal thyme.
Good taste.
Yeah, lemon thyme.
Okay.
3 from 3. Okay.
Okay. We're back on.
We're back on.
Oh, this is a good one.
This is a good one. There's 2 bits. Ooh. Smells like chive. Tastes like chives. Has to be chives.
Ding ding ding.
Thank you so much.
We're like, he has to get this one because it's his favourite.
It's good lucky I'm fasting. Smells sweet. Feels like a berry. It's a blackberry.
Yes.
Oh. Woo.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm quite. My heart's pumping. I'm really nervous.
Switching it
I
out.
can't look like a clown.
There's a teaspoon in front of you
Oh no.
with
Yeah.
some contents on that teaspoon.
Yes. Oh, it's quite firm. Neutral smell. Avocado.
Yes. Good work.
Thank you. Is that less than 5 grams of carbohydrates?
Yeah, we're keeping it all high fat for you, Dave.
No carbs.
Oh, this is a good one.
Ooh.
Something different.
Yes. Ugh, it's a bit sticky. Ooh. What's that?
What does it smell like?
Oh.
Yeah. Pungent. Mustard, seeded mustard.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. How good's mustard on a Sunday morning?
Probably a bit too late now.
Here's your next plate.
Yes. Ooh. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even taste it.
I don't even need it, no.
Okay. A new one in front of you.
Yes, new one. Ooh. Oh, it's got resistance. Ooh. Cheese of some description. What cheese do we have? That is like a cheddar tasty cheese. Hang on. I don't like the sound of that, Abby. It means I'm wrong. Comté. That is Comté.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Jeez.
Thank you so much.
Calibrated nose and a calibrated tongue. Should we go for some liquids now?
Yes.
Oh Jesus! Please no alcohol. I'll pass out. Liquids. What? Oh no. Lemon juice.
Yep. Our last for the liquids.
Oh, last for the liquids.
This one's
Only
gonna be
2
interesting.
liquids.
It might be a little bit of a curveball.
Okay.
Considered by some.
Kombucha.
Oh, bloody hell! Oh my god!
One will always remember Rachel's kombucha.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Just come
Rachel's pear and ginger kombucha.
Yes.
Yes.
Still travelling okay?
Okay.
All right.
Last curveball.
Last curveball. Oh, hello. It's a kaffir lime leaf.
Yes.
Beautiful.
That is
beautiful.
all.
Oh, good
You got
stuff.
everything. You got everything. Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
Your beanie off.
Ah, good stuff. That's everyone. 100%.
100%. There you go.
Thank you so much. So that was our first ever blind tasting. Quite fun, a little bit tricky on a Sunday morning, but exciting, and we look forward to the next blind tasting. See you all again soon as the Food Whisperer continues, and if you have any ideas or hints or suggestions as to what I could be blind tasted with next, please feel free to comment, and of course subscribe and like and share the love. Take care. For everything Miss Emily Gourmet, please follow the link below. Check out our website, Facebook and Instagram.